So to embed your images in a discussion instead of attaching in a discussion, you're going to go to the discussion in the Canvas page. And then to make a post, you're going to have to say reply here. And then you can go ahead and put your name, which actually you don't need to do because when you make a post, it's going to put your name there. If I wanted to attach something, I would press this, right? So we don't want that. We want to do embed. So it looks like this little mountain with a little circle next to it. So click on that. You can press on Canvas, press on My Files. You need to upload your file. So click on that one. Find your JPEG that you want to submit. So maybe I want to submit that one, so I'm going to say open. And then you have to press update, and then it's going to just put it in there into the post. And then you can see how we can see your image right there instead of having to attach it. And then you're just going to say post, click on post reply. So maybe I'll just do that, and then it should, you can see how that shows up on the bottom there. And then, you know, we don't need that one, so I'm going to delete it. But anyway, so that's what you would do. You would you need to find the original discussion, click on the one you want, and you're going to be replying to this, click on reply at the top, not on reply on someone else's art, and then it's this little button right there. And then you have to do a few things to get it in there. So that's how you would embed, not attach.